Why do strong passwords matter?
Strong passwords are essential because weak ones make it easy for hackers to access your accounts. Cybercriminals use automated tools to guess common and short passwords in seconds. Protecting your personal data, finances, and identity online starts with creating passwords that are complex and unique for every account you use.
What makes a password strong?
A strong password usually has at least 12 characters. It combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid real words, names, or simple patterns like 123456 or password. The more unpredictable and longer your password is, the harder it is to crack.
How can I easily create secure passwords?
Try using a passphrase, a random combination of words, numbers, and symbols, such as blue, river 7, pizza, $. You can lengthen it for more security. Password managers can also generate and store complex passwords for you, so you don't have to memorize them all.
Should I use the same password everywhere?
Never use the same password for multiple accounts. If one website is hacked, attackers could access your other accounts. Instead, create unique passwords for each login, especially for important services like email, banking, and social media.
What other steps increase password security?
Enable two-factor authentication, (2FA), wherever possible. This adds a second layer of protection, even if your password is guessed. Regularly update your passwords and don't share them with anyone. Staying vigilant with these steps greatly reduces your risk of being hacked.